And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the month of December and how the price of natural gas can move in the month of January 2024. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen since 2 months, it is continuously moving down, and this is only 15 days are left, so probability can be high if the price is started sustaining below a level of around 2.5. A further downfall we can see. Now it is not above a level of 2.5, trading below a level of $2.48590. Understand something, that the price, if it started falling below a level of 2.2 of level, a further downfall we can see, because there is a two patterns forming that you have to understand looking at this particular pattern, because there are opposite U pattern is forming and a U pattern is forming. These two patterns are forming, but after pandemic what was happened, that there is a pattern forming towards an upside, and this was same what we have seen in the crude also, that whenever it is hitting new high, we have seen a fall was coming. Why? And why people were booking, or traders were booking a profit at this level? Because a pandemic was a situation where it could arise or fall, so people were thinking that it will go further upside. That means the pandemic will grow, so they are booking at the profit when the market is going up. As soon as the market was going up, it falls again, and then it tried to go upside, and this being repeated for 5 times. Sixth time it would have repeated, but because of the Russian-Ukraine war, we have seen the price was continuously moving down, and this gap still pending, and we have seen that the price of natural gas after that was moving in a zone of $3 and $2, which you can see looking at this particular chart. What you can see for January 2024, why? Basically, if you look at the dollar chart, you will see that there is a clear indication that we can see the dollar index can move further low. Okay, because there is also being two patterns forming. Chances are high because it has already moved out of a zone after August of 2023. So chances can be high, and there is a clear pattern forming. If you look at this particular pattern, that there is a higher chances of going further low will be there. If it started going below a level of $101.466, a probability of crossing a level of 100.836 will be there, and then a further fall. So we can see there can be upside in the natural gas prices because the dollar index is going further down, and yes, there is a higher chances of going further low. Till the time the index is not going above a level of $103.456, we will not see a further upside in the price of natural gas. This is one of the factor. Other factors will also affect the price of natural gas, but otherwise what we are seeing, that the price is continuously moving down in the dollar index. We can see the price of gold also will increase, as well as we have seen the natural gas price alone looking at this particular weakening of dollars. Okay, and once started moving a swing, because from 2 weeks it is continuously moving down. If we go on a month wise chart, you will see clearly that, see, from 2 months also there is a continuous fall. Till the time is not going above a level of around $103.5, a further upside we will not see in the price of dollar index. So if it started moving below, then there will be, see, if it moves out of this zone also, we will see it will cross a level of $100.89 to a level of 99.8. This is the dollar index. So and then a further downfall we can see. So the natural gas price continuously we can see it will move upside for this particular month. We can see if it started going above this level. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in January 2024, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work. And a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go towards a level of $2.5844, and started going above that level, we will see it will cross a level of 2.7854, because this level is also being a weak resistance. So chances are high it will cross that level and it will go towards $3. Once the price started sustaining over $3, we will see it will cross that level, and a probability that it will cross a level of 3.4 also. So keep that in mind, that 2.7 will play as an important role. If it started going on this level, it will cross a level of $3 and it will touch a level of 3.4, and from there a probability of crossing a level of 3.6631 is there. 3.6631 is also being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will go towards a level of $3.854, and from there a probability of touching a level of around $4.186. These two levels. Okay, and if started going above that level, a further upside we can see towards a level of around 4.35 is there. After 4.1 we can see a level of 4.35, and this, after this gap is filled, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, now understand something. See, market is uncertain. If you look at this particular zone also, we have seen green and red candles are forming, but it was moving in a range. So how you have to decide the quantity if you want to take it for a longer or shorter view. So if you're taking on a monthly chart, you will see, suppose there is a volatility, so always decide your quantity as per that. Half if volatility is high, or normal, then be the same quantity. Half, you can decide the volatility is high, try to increase your SL by twice, target by twice, so your SL will not be hit rather than your target will hit. Okay, this is what I teach in my workshop also. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. Now suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it will move further low towards its next support, that is coming at a level of $2.3294. Okay, and if started moving below this particular zone, we will see it will fall further down towards a level of $2.278. Okay, and if it started moving below this particular zone, we will see it will touch a level of $2.0381. Okay, and once the price started moving below a level of 2.8031, it will cross further down towards a level of $2.081. From there it will cross this particular zone once started moving below a level of around $2.3. Chances are high it will cross that level and it will touch a level of around 1.9206, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of around 1.17965. Okay, and started moving below this level, a probability of crossing a level of 1.5718 is there, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 1.571, and then from there a downfall. Keep that in mind that as soon as it started going below a level of $2.2, chances of going below a level of $2 we can see, and it will touch a level of 1.9, and from there a probability of going towards a level of 1.6 also we can see, towards a level of 1.5 also, and then further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'll give you the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my